Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marush Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the CHSL live mock which was conducted in the last few days. Now we'll be discussing the reasoning section of it, of course. But so yeah, let's proceed. Let's start without any further delay. Almost doable, easy questions, I would say. Majority of them were quite simple. So the idea here has to be to save time, save as much time as possible. Okay. If you're watching this session right now live, I would request you please participate in the session as much as possible. I have been constantly listening to and applying the feedback, whatever you're providing. So you are free to do that. Go ahead and give me any other feedback you would like to mention so that we are at par, on track as per your requirement. Okay. So the sound issues have been rectified. I believe I am loud and clear right now, reaching to all of your devices, and the zoom issue has also been resolved. So I can now zoom in each question and show it to you so that the display issue is also gone. Okay. Yesterday I received another feedback on a different channel that I have to be away from the screen so that you can see the question. So we'll do that also. Don't worry. So let's start with the very first question without any further delay. So we need to find the odd one out here. Okay. Pretty direct and simple. We can see AZ. So 26 minus 1 is 25. 6 minus 3 is 3. 13 minus 11 is 2. But 18 minus 12 is not 5, it is 3. So option D should be the correct answer. Right? Next. Letter analogy. Next. So this is plus 2. This is 4, 7 plus 3 and 6, 11 plus 5. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. I think option A itself is following. Shadow is arranged in the English alphabetical order. Position of how many letters will remain unchanged if the letters of the word shadow are arranged in the alphabetical order. Okay. So this is 1, next is 4, next is 8, and then after that we have 15, we have 19 and we have 23. So we have 1, no, only 1, right? Only 1. W will not change its position, rest everybody will. Next. Gamma delta here is written as IJK, delta here gamma, and the here gamma delta. So this is again an order based question basically, because all the three are same only. So we need the code for year. Gamma delta year is the third position, K is there. Now in the second one, year is second position, K is the second position. And third one, year is the first position, K is at the first position. So I think it's pretty much sure that the code for year is K. So this can be determined. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, this is all order based. Year, K, second position, year, K, first position, year, K. Right. Next. So 6, W means addition, 2, X means subtraction, 3, U means multiplication, 4, V means division, 2, W means addition, 7. So this is 2, 2 into 3, 6, minus 6 plus 6 is gone, 2 plus 7 is 9, so option B is the correct answer. Next. (11) is related to 132, 14 is related to 110. How will 16 be? What will be 16 to related to? So 11 into 12 is 132. 14 into 15, that is 14 square plus 14, 196 plus 14 is 210, absolutely right. So I think 16 square plus 16 is what we are looking for, or 16 into 17 that is. So we have 272 as the correct answer. Okay. Next. All monkeys are primates. All monkeys are primates. All primates are mammals. Some mammals are monkeys, absolutely right. All monkeys are mammals. Yes, both are correct. So both 1 and 2 follow. Option D is the right answer. Easy. Next. Question number 8. Okay. So let's just further bring the next also. Okay, this is better. Lin pin rin is sweet ripe fruit. Okay. The question is they're asking for ripe and we have 4 distinct options. So for ripe, where is ripe not coming? Ripe is not coming in rin, sun, win. So rin, sun is gone. Pin and lin is left. Now we need the code for ripe. So this only ripe is common here. So ripe means pin is common here. So pin is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Cool. Next. Number series. +3 +6. No, it's into 2 + 1. No, into 2 + 1 into 2 + 1 into 2 + 1 into 2 + 1 into 2 + 1. One is the same thing actually. Even if you would have taken the difference and the double difference, that would also have been made. That would also have made sense. So 47 into 2 + 1. So this is 94 + 1, 95. Option A is the right answer. Next. Another series based question. So this is increasing by 4, by 8, by 16, by 32. So the next will increase by 64, 120, 132. Option A is the right answer. Cool. Next. Letter series. So this is 1, 7, 13. So +6 + 6, 19 + 6, 25 + 6, 25 + 6, 31. That is E. Starting with E, we have only one option, that is EGI. Next. How many Thursdays would be there between 3rd April 2014 and 1st November 2014? It is given that 1st April was a Monday. Now here technically there are multiple options with which you can proceed. Okay, the first one can be that from 3rd April, they said that from 1st April was a Monday, so 4th April was the 4th April was the first Thursday. Okay, counting from here all the way till here is very difficult. Okay, but you can calculate week wise how many days are there in total and how many weeks will be passing on. That also can be done. So for the month of April, if I say we have 30 and 3 are gone, so 27 days. For the month of May, we have 31. For the month of June, 30. July 31, August 31, September 30, October, November we have only one day. Okay, now just check the total. So 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 124 and 60, 184, 184 plus 28, 204, 184 plus 28, right? 212, right? Now 212, if I take the remainder with 7, or the quotient rather, there are 2 days remaining. 210 will be my answer, correct? So 30 full weeks have gone. The first Thursday would start on 4th April. So why do I count? I should not count this also, no? Let's start from 4th April only. Why to count this? Count this at 26 only. So technically we have only 211 days. Now taking a remainder with 7, we are getting 1 odd day. Okay, that means there are 30 full weeks here. Now every week will have a Thursday definitely. So 30 Thursdays are there for sure. Okay, and since we counted our counting from the 4th of April, that is a Thursday, the last day also, the excess day will also be Thursday. So 30 plus 1, 31 will be our answer. Option C is the correct answer. Cool. That's the best approach. So what you can do is convert your total number of days into weeks. Okay. So divide them by 7 and take the quotient, right? So that quotient would normally, if you divide by 7, we always take the remainder, but you take the quotient, and as soon as you get the quotient, that will be the number of weeks and that will be the number of whatever day has been asked. And if you are starting with the first day, then the last day you will repeat and that will give your answer. Okay. So next, how many triangles are present in the figure? Okay, let's see. So this figure right here, we'll start with counting 5 triangles. Then 1, again 5 more triangles, and 1 more. Okay. Now there have to be combo. This one I did not count, so this 1 triangle. This 1 whole triangle we did not count. Similarly, this 1 whole triangle we did not count. You can clearly see 14 of them. Okay, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2. And 2 others. Okay. Oh, sorry. 15. We are missing out on 1 more triangle, I think. 15. This one we already counted. This is one which we did not count, and there's one more which is not, you're clearly missing out on. We counted this and this also, right? Okay. Oh my god, how can I miss this? Got it. One more. 16 triangles in all. Okay, I'll show it to you one second, don't worry. See, whenever you get this kind of a figure, okay, an impartial square which is complete 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 triangles. So we can see one figure here. Okay, this will lower the burden a lot, and one figure here. So 5 plus 5, 10. Done. Now after this, next we are looking at this 1, this 2, and then this 1 and this 2. So there are 4 triangles here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 2 more combo triangles which when viewed as a whole will, this is the one triangle and this is the other triangle. So 2 more added here. 16 triangles in all. Cool. Wow, this was a good question. Next, water image. Okay, A7. This is rejected. This is rejected. This is rejected. Oh my god, this is so easy. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, honest is written as 14. Insert is written as 8. How will jungle be written? Yes. Eight, 14, 15, 29, 37, 5, 42, 3 and 3, 6. Not making sense. Oh, okay, wait. It's a very small total. See, I'll tell you what I'm thinking here. This is a very small total, okay? If I'm taking the whole sum of place values, it is not making sense, right? And even if I'm taking reverse place values, not making sense. Even if I'm subtracting something that's too large a number, so they won't go there. Now, how can I obtain a very small number from these? Number of letters, the other logic, but 6 letters, not making sense. Okay. Then always start thinking about common options which are used, common topics, or I would say common patterns which are used. So here you can apply the pattern of vowels and consonants. If you see, we have 2 vowels here. So what is 15 plus 5? That is 20. This is the closest. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract the number of letters to get 14. Okay, let's try it here. Give it a shot. So I and E, this is 9 plus 5, 14, and 14 minus 1, 2, 3, 6 is 8. Cool. So this is U 21 plus 5, 26 minus 6 is 20. So option A will be the right answer. Good question. Perfect. Three plus 6 square, 10 plus 3 square. This is it. 12 plus 9 square. Option D. Cool. Sum of the first 2 numbers squaring gives us the third number. Next, 17. Place the signs sequentially. Okay, we have a division here. Let's look at that. Division is here in the end. 3 divided by 8 into 9 does not make sense, gone. 9 divided by 3, okay, this is still not making sense. And 14 divided by 6 into 9, so 3, yeah, this is also making sense. So you'll have to check for the both of them. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 will give me 3 minus 8 into 6, that is 18 plus 14. 14 plus 18 minus 8. 18 plus 6, 24. Yes, option B is the right answer. Cool. Next. C should be the son-in-law of M. This is an indirect blood relation, okay? Sister of G's son, husband of G's daughter, son of G's brother, mother of G's wife. That's how it is. This is not a direct single relationship. It's a multiple relationship. Now here you need to check for C is a son-in-law of M. So one thing is for sure is that C is a male. C cannot be a female. So C cannot be sister of G's son. So C cannot have this husband, son, mother. C cannot have a delta after it. This is not allowed. Can we see this? Yes, this is gone. This is gone. This is also gone. Oh my God. This is the only option left. Now still, for the sake of it, let's check it out, okay? In the exam, don't do that. You are lucky that you are getting this. C delta U means C is the husband of U's daughter. C is the husband of U's daughter. Okay? Sorry. What am I writing? Yeah, sorry, correct. U small delta V means U is the mother of V's wife. And V delta M means again V is the husband of M's daughter. So V is the husband of M's daughter. So M will be the male here. That's how it is. Now the question is C is the son-in-law of M. Yes, clearly visible in option C. So we didn't have to draw the tree, of course. In the examination, we were very lucky enough to eliminate 3 options and get the correct answer immediately. Okay. Next. Okay, mirror image. Practically impossible. Impossible. Oh, this is only correct flip which I can find out. I find option A. Easy. Next. Embedded figures. No, this is just missed by this slant here, but it is here. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Bombay. Next. 21. Figure series. So this D is coming here. G is going here, Y is coming here, W is going on the top, and R and T are changing positions. This is the movement from 1, 2, 3. Okay. So same movement has to be repeated here also. So Y will go here, W will go here, D will come here, G will go on the top, R and T, Y, W, D, G. Is this making sense? G, Y, D, R, W, T. Option A is making sense. Isn't it? Figure 1. Correct. Okay. Simple movement pattern, nothing else. Next. All non-verbal in the end they have kept. Okay. Triangle fold. So the moment this opens, they'll form a square here in the corner. So in the center there will be a square. Okay. Then this one will open here like this, okay, and this one will open on the top, okay. This is the only correct figure then. So we'll have this or this. And that's a quite small square. No, this one is the correct one. So figure 4 is the correct answer. Okay, next. The issue is only between 4 and 1, but if you see 1, look at the lines here. The line is smaller than the cone of the pentagon, but here it is larger. The half of the line is larger. It's exceeding the pentagon. So option 4, figure 4 is the only correct possibility. Question number 23. So flip with 9, this is gone, this is gone. Not possible, not possible. Now 9, this WAR question mark will be flipped. Okay, they are flipped both places. B is fancy B here, so option 3 is the right one. Repeated letter series. So for any letters which are common at any position, we can just fill them up. No, they are not. Okay, ERO-CER. ERO-CER. ROKCER. ROKCER. Make sense? So KRCOER. KRCOERCKO. Option B is the right answer. Next. Last question. Which box can be formed? So longest vertical line, 2 opposite to 4, 3 opposite to 5, 2 is opposite to 4, 3 is opposite to 5, and 1 is opposite to 6. Your cube which will be formed will be from one face from each level. So this is 1, 3, 6 cannot be formed because 1 and 6 are together. 5, 4, 1 can be formed. 4, 2, 3 cannot be formed because of 4 and 2. And 3, 5, 2 cannot be formed. So only 2 will be formed. Done. So that's it. The reasoning section of CHSL Tier 1 live mock which has been discussed. Now we are regularly bringing these sessions for you. So we need your support here as well. That is only little thing you have to do. You have to like the session. You have to share the session across platforms wherever you are a part of, like a Telegram group or WhatsApp channel, so that other aspirants can also see the level of these mocks and the way we are discussing it with you. Okay. And also you have to hit the subscribe button right away if you are new on this channel, and do leave us some comment, and any other feedback is mostly welcome. So I'll be able to implement that in my upcoming sessions, and so that this process becomes smooth for the both of us. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind.